If you are about style and comfort, then this hot touch blouse, it is a closet essential. It is for me. Let me tell you why. I love it. I love the color, and I like that it's a button-down shirt with a pocket here, and it has a V color. The style here, V neck. So besides that, it works layering with layering, or you can wear it on its own. I have it on my own right now because it's a little hat and it's very comfortable and breathable. The material is super nice. So this is great for coffee days or for movie nights. You can wear it with a jacket or just wear it by itself or with an undershirt. And it's the reason why for me it's a closet essential is because it looks so beautiful with jeans, with leggings, with shorts, with my skirt that I'm wearing it right now. I just tuck it in. And let me show you. Um, this is how it looks when you untuck it. So you can wear it as you wish. I like it tuck it in. It's so comfortable and beautiful. If you're about style and comfort, then I believe you can check this one out. They have different colors. Thank you for watching.